Well, certainly, Pratyan, we're expecting the focus to be largely again on that gold tooth that allegedly was, accused number 3 in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial had some few years earlier. Of course, we had evidence last week to the effect that, in fact, Mthobisi Mncube had been seen, or there's an image of Mthobisi Mncube showing that he had a gold tooth in 2014, and this was September, a month before Senzo Meyiwa's murder. That image was led by the state through a cell phone data analyst, Moses Mabasa, last week. And of course, you recall that why this is all crucial is because there was a description of an intruder that was given, that was seen wearing a gold tooth by one of the passers-by on the Meyiwa murder night. And of course, that has been a topic of investigation from the police. You recall that in 2020, they had investigated Bongani Ntanzi also as to whether he had a gold tooth fitted or not at some point. And of course, last week we saw the defense also making an application for Mthobisi Mncube to then be medically examined by the doctor whether he had a gold tooth or not, saying that in fact they cannot continue their cross-examination up until that is done. So that application was granted by the court, and essentially which then saw Moses Mabasa returning to the stand. He did face cross-examination by Charles Mnisi, who questioned, of course, how he was able to tell that this was a gold tooth that was seen on Mthobisi Mncube's face, and of course asking his credentials and trying to cast doubt on whether or not he was an expert in gold and in facial identification. And of course, what was crucial though from that cross-examination is where exactly that gold tooth seems to be located, because according to the picture that was beamed in court, it appears to be on the left right upper jaw of Mthobisi Mncube's mouth. But when you look at, in fact, a juxtaposed image